Alright, so welcome to my little refresher on how to convert from slope point form to slope intercept form. If you recognize this equation that we have here, it's the one that I used for an earlier activity within this, or at least the model that I provided in the video for you, if you watched that. If you don't recognize it, totally fine. What I want to point out with this equation here right now is it's not really the best slope point form because I haven't simplified my fraction here. So I'm just going to do one additional thing. Divide top and bottom by 4, and I'm going to get the fraction 3 over 2. So we're working with y minus 9 is equal to negative 3 over 2 times x plus 3. If we don't simplify that fraction, it just makes this next piece of the process a little bit more difficult. So in order to convert this to slope-intercept form, what we're going to do is we want to isolate y. We want to get it by itself, and we also don't want to have this aspect in brackets here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 9 to the other side by adding 9 to both sides. That's going to bring it to the other side here. So it's going to be simply left with y is equal to on the left-hand side. And then on this side here, what we're going to do is we're going to expand this throughout. So that negative 3 over 2 applies to both the x and the 3. So we're going to get negative 3 over 2 times x. We have negative 3 times positive 3, so it's going to give us negative 9 over 2 plus 9. This should start looking more and more like slope-intercept form here. A reminder, if you forget on that piece, slope-intercept form is such that we have y is equal to mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So we're almost there. We just need to combine this other portion here. Now, if I'm going to combine a fraction with an integer, I need to convert that integer into a fraction as well. So I'm going to rewrite 9 as 18 over 2. Check that again for yourself if you need to. 18 divided by 2 is just 9. And then I can combine these components together. So I'm going to get y is equal to negative 3 over 2x. We have negative 9 plus 18 is going to give us plus 9 over 2. So this would be an alternate form that we could write the equation above. We had slope point form originally with our slope and our point. Our point here was negative 3 comma positive 9. Change the signs for both of those. And now instead we have it in our slope-intercept form here. So our slope, once again, is the same. It's at negative 3 over 2. But I can see my y-intercept here is 9 over 2, or 4.5. Alright, so that is how you take a slope point form for a line and convert it to a slope-intercept form for a line. Thanks for watching.